Hello and welcome in this tutorial. We are going to create a temporary access. Click on the Files tab in the menu bar, then select the customer in the list. Click on the Add a temporary access button. A temporary access creation page displays on the screen. Click Create a new temporary access, then fill up the associated fields. Finally, click Create. To make sure that your temporary access has successfully been created, click on the Configuration tab. Then click Temporary Access. You can consult your new access by clicking it. You can see all generated information and update them if you want.